everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a Dollar Tree haul, and there were a few items that I was very excited to find because they were brand new to me. So if you want to see what I got at the Dollar Tree, go ahead and stick around for this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's start with the things that I was the most excited about when I saw them. I came around the corner from one of the aisles and I spotted them on the ground, and I didn't see them anywhere else on the aisle or on the shelves, but there was a stack of them on the ground, which makes me think that either they didn't get very many or somebody else wiped them out. So what I'm about to show you, be on the lookout for them at your Dollar Tree. Okay, so here they are. So excited to find them. They are the Bella Storage Solutions, but here's the cool thing about them. Obviously, the Dollar Tree carries this type of things in its own brand all the time, but you can see there it is the Bella brand, but it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but it's got like some like speckling right here, and then it's got the lines. But the coolest thing is this color, you guys, and it's looking a little weird on my camera, but it is a true like mint green color. It reminds me of mint chocolate chip ice cream. So these are so cute. Now Dollar Tree, from what I have seen, does not carry their brand in this color. And also, guys, this Bella brand is just a little bit better quality, as most of you guys know. So I was so excited to find these. They had this mint chocolate chip color, and they also had it in this like, it's like a baby pink color, which I think it's also very pretty. Same thing is the Bella brand, and it does have that like speckling right there. Yeah, they also had a little bit darker pink one, but I wasn't a huge fan of that one. But I thought that these two colors together looked really cute. I'm gonna put these in my classroom. And yeah, I bought 6 of them. So some more new items that I found at my Dollar Tree are these two things right here. They are by, I'm going to say Q-Tex is how I'm going to pronounce it. And they're both things for your feet. This one right here is, it says it's a foot cream, and this one is deodorizing. It says it defends against unpleasant odors. It's infused with peppermint and tea tree oil. So there is that one. And then my store also had this one. And again, it's this Q-Tex Care brand, and it's a foot cream also. And it's called the Heel Softening. So it's salon inspired heel exfoliation, and it's a cucumber fragrance. So I was very excited to find these two things because I hate closed-toed shoes. So for that reason, I always wear my Birkenstocks are what I wear the most, and if you wear Birkenstocks all the time, you know that they make your feet really rough. I think it's because your feet are having to get used to wearing those real hard Birkenstocks all day long. And I also wear my Chacos, and so my feet could definitely use these two things. So when I saw these, I thought absolutely these are not just a want but a need, and I can't wait to try them out and see if they work. My store had quite a few, but they didn't have just a ton, so I could definitely see this being like an item that comes and is not there for very long, and they might not get it again. So if you see these at your Dollar Tree, definitely grab some, maybe stock up on it, and I'm excited to see if they work. I found a new bath bomb item, which, guys, a long time ago when they started carrying those really cool bath bombs with the shapes and the colors and the scents and all that stuff, I loaded up on those suckers because we didn't know if they were going to be back or not. And I still have a ton of them. I really don't need them. So I usually pass on the bath bombs, but my store had a lot of new ones yesterday, and I stopped and smelled a lot of them, and these smelled so good I could not pass them up. The scent on them is Galactic Vanilla Berry. It has such a familiar scent to me. It smells, I think, like a certain candy, but I can't put my finger on what candy it smells like, but they smell really good. I can definitely, like, it says vanilla berry. It smells very like raspberry flavored, or not flavored, but scented to me. It does come with a 3-pack, So I'm definitely going to use these, and I hope that they make my bathwater smell as good as they smell just in this bag here, because they are so strong and they smell amazing. I found one of these window cling or like wall cling, whatever you want to call them, sticker sheet thingies. And my classroom is actually decorated in these types of things right here, like these succulents. And they're decorated in like the watercolor looking succulents. So I thought these were really cute. They're perfect for my classroom. I don't know if these are new or not, or I've just never seen them before. Let me know down in the comment section below if you've ever seen these at your Dollar Tree. Besides just recently, have they been there a while or are they new? But I thought these were really cute. I actually bought some picture frames to do like a little DIY with these, and so hopefully they turn out good and I could like film a video over it. But yeah, I thought these were really pretty. So these are the picture frames that I bought that I was just telling you about. They look like faux wood. I know the camera is not going to pick it up, but I bought 2 of these, hopefully for that DIY. And I also bought this frame just because I had an idea for it, also for a DIY, so I picked it up. It's got the metal part around. The inside is wood. It's faux wood, but it's made to look like wood right there. So I had a DIY idea, so I picked this up as well. My next item's kind of a funny item. I almost put them back and I was like, they're just $1. Have fun with them, buy them. It's whatever. They are these, they're gel pens. That's the main reason I got them, is they're gel pens. I'm a 90s kid, which means I love my gel pens. And so they are Frozen brand. So you can see there, they're frozen. They've got all the little characters on them. It comes with a light blue, a regular blue, a light purple, and a regular purple. And it says it has smooth gel ink. I'll be the judge of that. You guys know from, you know, all of us 90s kids that had those gel pens, you knew if it was a good gel pen or a bad gel pen by the way that it wrote. So it says it's a glitter gel pen, so I'm assuming it's got those little shimmer like pieces in the gel. So I'm excited to try these and see how they work. I picked up a few dog items. I found these 2 dog treats, and as you can see, they're both open because when I got home, my dog actually got this one out of the bag and brought it into the living room and asked me to open it for him. So of course, I couldn't say no. So he has already tried this one and he loved it. And then I also got this one, and again, it has been opened because he tried it and he liked it as well. So let me go ahead and tell you guys what they are. So this one, it says Dog for Dog dog treat. It's a no hide bones, peanut butter flavor, no rawhide. It just says 100% rawhide free, healthy chews. Every purchase we give to dogs in need, which I loved that. But this is how they look. They're like these little chew bones. And the thing that drew me to these, besides the fact that it says it donates to dog in need, is I do not give my dog rawhide. I'm so against it. I had a dog one time choke, and I literally had to reach down his throat and pull the rawhide out of his throat because he was choking. And it was really scary. And so I do not do rawhide with my dog just because they're just not safe. So the fact that it said no rawhide and it was a chew bone that he could chew on, I liked that, and he liked it too. And then this Dental Life, it is by Purina, and it's just a chew. It says it's a porous texture, so it helps clean hard to reach teeth. And so yeah, it comes with 7, and he liked them. He's not super picky when it comes to dog treats, but he did like these, and if they clean their teeth, then I'm happy as well. I always purchase this to give him a bath. It is the My Pet's Friend grooming products. It's the oatmeal enhanced shampoo deodorizing. It's the dog shampoo, and I really like it. It suds up really well, and it makes him smell really nice. And so I buy this a lot. If you're looking for something to use on your dogs, I would recommend it. He's also a poodle, which means he has sensitive skin, and this doesn't bother him or make him itchy. These have been at my Dollar Tree for a while, and I've never picked them up because I've never really thought about it, to be honest with you. Knife stitch don't seem like a really great thing to buy at the Dollar Tree. However, I was watching a Dollar Tree haul here on YouTube, and I heard another YouTuber say that these are really good quality, and so I thought for $1, and it's really cute. It's got the silicone handle. My store had a lot of different colors. Why would I not give it a try? So I went ahead and bought one. I am excited to use it and see how it lasts, see how it makes its way through the dishwasher. But if it works good, then I will definitely go back and pick more up. Let me know in the comment section below if you own one of these and how has it held up, and does it work good? Does it stay sharp? Does it cut things good? Let me know in the comment section. I bought some fall floral sprigs. I won't take a long time to show you these, but I bought some Delilahs. I thought that they were a really pretty color, so I bought those just to kind of put around for fall. I also got some of these wheat sprigs, and I don't really love these little feather things around it, but I figured I could get rid of those. But I do like this wheat part here, again, for DIYs and having around for the fall. And the last florals that I got were these, and guys, I could never say this word ever, hydrangeas. Hydrangeas, am I saying that right? But these look really high quality. Hydrangeas are already really, really pretty flowers like the real ones. And I feel like these aren't too far off from looking like real hydrangeas. So these are really pretty. These are going to end up going behind me on my fireplace, so you guys will end up seeing these in future hauls. I know these are not new. They've been around for the last couple of years, but I've never picked them up, and I've seen a lot of people use them in DIYs. So I went ahead and grabbed a package of these. There is a thankful, a harvest, and a welcome, and it's just the metal words. And my next items are random, like totally random, off the wall. I mean, I bought them for a purpose, but it's not like they fall under one certain category. I did buy this skull. Now, I bought it for a DIY. Last year, I made a skull candle using one of these, but there were some things that I think that I could do differently to make it even better this year and to share with my YouTube family. So I went ahead and picked up another one of these little guys. That way I could make an even better candle this year. I like to buy these little cups out of the party section. When it's a holiday or whatever and they come out with these, I'll buy the little, you know, themed ones. But when it's not a holiday or something, they just have these regular one color ones. It does come a pack of 6, and they're the 8-ounce cups. These are perfect for me in the mornings on my way to work. I put 1 package of oatmeal in here, and I put in some honey and some blueberries. The water, I heat it up for 1 minute, and then I just grab it and take it to work with me, and I eat it when I get to work. It's perfect, and then when I'm done, I can just toss it. I don't have to worry about taking stuff back home to wash or whatever. So I use these for my oatmeal in the morning. They are perfect. This next item I thought was super pretty. It is one of those Kiss gel nails, and of course I bought it because it is peach sherbet, and I thought it's about to be fall, so I think that this color is super pretty. It's even prettier in person. The camera's not really getting the true color, but I really recommend these Kiss Gel Strong nail polishes because they dry fast and they last pretty long, so I really like these and I would recommend them. And my last 2 items are nothing new, but I needed them. They are these 2 little glass jars with the lids that go on. And the reason that I need them is because I need them for my bathroom to hold my cotton balls, and I need one to hold my little cotton discs that I use to clean my makeup and stuff like that. So I bought 2 of these, and they're great quality. My Dollar Tree always has them. Matter of fact, they have them in a lot of different styles and sizes and stuff, so I bought these for that. Okay guys, that's my Dollar Tree haul, kind of short and sweet this week. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, as well as a lot of other types of hauls, DIYs, and just stuff like that. So if you're interested in that type of thing, definitely stick around by subscribing to my channel, and make sure that you hit that twice so that it will notify you when I post new videos. Thanks for sticking with me all the way until the end, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!